Hi, hello, and welcome to another video. So today I have had a very long day. So I'm not gonna film much. I'm just gonna try to chill and get my energy back. But we have something that was released today, and because Stray Kids are my old group, I wanted to see it because it's something else. Now, this was released at 1 p.m. for me, so it's a little later than I usually expect. But I was like, oh, okay, we got a dance practice. But then I read Vampire Virgin, and I was like, okay, that's something else, because before we have gotten, I think a more sailor one, and we had... most of them were cute when you talked about versions, and we had the Humboldt version, but now we have a vampire version of Thunderous, which, wow. But yeah, I'm gonna watch it twice because I like to do that. It's pretty short, and I cannot guarantee that I will not pause because I've seen a certain someone a lot on the internet. I've stayed off completely off of Twitter because Twitter is the spoiler land. You can't just ignore it because you'll get everything. I have been on TikTok and just a bit on Instagram, so I've seen some few parts, and one specific person I've seen a lot is Felix, mostly because of his makeup and clothing, which we will see very soon what I'm talking about there. But yeah, we're gonna watch it. I am super excited to finally get into this, but yeah, I just know it's gonna be so good. But yeah, I hope you're excited. Let's go, let's get into it. So now that I see it, it has been 6 hours, which is pretty bad, but it's not been a couple of days, which it can be sometimes. But yeah, I'm super stoked. As I said, don't expect me not to pause because I just know that this is going to be something else. But yeah, let's go. Let's get into it. Let's watch it. Okay. Let's go. Han has the eye patch. Okay. I don't want to pause immediately. It's really hard to pause. The makeup, oh my goodness. Ah! The styling, oh my goodness. Felix is wearing red lipstick. I can't handle this. Sungmin. Chan. I mean, I'm used to Vampire Chan because he loves to dress up like that, but I'm sorry, I hadn't even noticed I am before. Oh my goodness. Oh, so satisfying every time. Shunjin though, I know, the styling for this video is immaculate. Immaculate. Oh my goodness. Jesus. Felix, their makeup is so dark. This is everything I wanted. I will never get over this song and this choreography is so good. Felix! And his waist is singed. And Chan with the I can't even speak properly. I mean, Hyunjin looks like a prince. Vampire prince. That's cute! This makeup, this outfits, I was stuck on it. Come on. How cute! Please don't bite each other. Let me get a look now. I don't know I think there's gonna be some like screwing around at the end. Yeah, there probably is. All these outfits are amazing. Ian's, I'm so sorry I didn't notice you. Felix and Ian's are probably my favorite. I think. I don't know. They all look amazing. Let me just see what they're doing in the end. Don't bite each other. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's watch it a second time because I'm weak. And I need more of this. Can we please get some behind the scenes for this? We have gotten but I just want to see them in their natural state, looking like that. Okay, let's go once again. Jeebus Creebus. Felix. As I said, he is basically wearing red lipstick. It's too much for me. And also Changbin. He has two shirts on, and the undershirt is see-through. We're not allowed to breathe. Ah! I can't get over Hyunjin too. Hyunjin, his waist is also cinched, and his hair is slightly wavy, it's everything. Everything, I'm stuck. Also, Lino, the ruffled shirt with the puffs, I love those kinds of shirts. Ian, you look amazing. Does any of them have red eye contacts in? I can't tell. You're so close to the camera, Jesus. Singmin. I love the eye patch so much. I know, as I said before, I'm sure he has some problems with his eye, but should do that, if they want to, because it looks amazing. Stop biting each other, my goodness. That's so fun. I do this. Ian's shirt. Yes, drop it low. King. So cool. You just grab it. Lino, I know. Like, Lino, I know, but do you have to? Yes. My goodness. Oh my god, they're the cutest. Okay. Wow, okay. That was the dance practice for Thunderous vampire version. What do you say? What do you say? Do I have anything I can bring that will explain my feelings I have about this? Stray Kids, please do more. I don't know, because like as soon as I saw that vampire version come up in my notifications, I was like, I'm gonna die. Like, I'm not gonna survive this. I don't feel like I'm alive anymore. That was something else. Like, they all looked amazing. And I love heavy makeup. Especially on K-pop idols. I don't know why they look amazing. I'm just like stunned. I don't know what to say. And I'm happy I saw it now because I'm sure as soon as I go on Twitter after this, people will freak out. People would be going crazy, and I understand why. I completely understand, because like, wow. But yeah, I hope that wasn't too much. I don't know how much I squealed, but hopefully it wasn't too much, as I said. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. Take care. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.